Hi, this is Alex, and we are at our Euclid location, which happens to be our biggest warehouse that we have. And just wanted to let folks know what we're kind of doing here. Not only do we have all of our great products that you can get right away, kitchen cabinets, hot tubs, game rooms, and things like that. What we've created here is a large clearance area. So anything that may not have fit in somebody's basement, or something I ordered too much of, some people like to call them Alex's accidents, or stuff that may be discontinued, we bring over to here and sell it off at cost or below. So it's really, really great values for a lot of customers if you can find something in this area.